How to make Word document on Android mobile phone full guide. Creating Word documents on Android is great when you don't have access to a computer. Let me walk you through it. First, open the Google Play Store and download Microsoft Word. Once it is installed, open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to start a new document. From there, you can type in your document. Format it as you like and save it to your device or OneDrive. That is how you create a Word document on Android. If you found this guide useful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or run into a problem, leave a comment below and I will help you out. Thank you for watching.